Viewers, the naysayers have since day one been predicting doom for the Modi government, calling it unstable and Narendra Modi incapable of running a coalition. With the new Council of Ministers proving to be a fine balancing act for most BJP allies, with 5 cabinet ministries and 6 MOS berths going to NDA constituents, the opposition seems to be looking for trouble in paradise. Politics has now broken out over portfolio distribution. AAP Member of Parliament Sanjay Singh took to social media to say that the BJP has insulted its allies by not giving them any of the important portfolios. Singh said that the NDA constituents have instead been handed a Jhunjhuna ministry or a toy. Omar Abdullah, who has lost from Baramulla, also took the opportunity to hurl potshots. He said that portfolios given to NDA allies are the leftovers and the BJP hasn't left anything meaningful for them. The Trinamool and the RJD, on the other hand, claim that Bengal and Bihar have been ignored in portfolio distribution.
जिस हिसाब से विभागों का जो बंटवारा हुआ, हालांकि ये तो प्रधानमंत्री का है कि किसको क्या विभाग देते हैं। काम किसी भी विभाग में होना चाहिए, लेकिन जो बिहार के वजह से आप प्रधानमंत्री बने और मंत्रालय जब बिहार के लोगों को दिया गया तो कहीं ना कहीं से झुनझुना जो है थमाया गया।
जिस तरह से मेरा ख्याल है कि पूरे बिहार को इग्नोर किया गया, कोई भी अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो जिसको हम कह सकते हैं जो जिससे बिहार को फ़ायदा होता, बिहार के लोगों को फ़ायदा होता, वैसा कोई भी पोर्टफोलियो नहीं दिया गया है और हल्के फुल्के पोर्टफोलियो दिए गए हैं। तो उससे हमको लगता है कि बिहार के साथ एक तरह से प्रधानमंत्री ने नाइंसाफ़ी की है।
Through this distribution of ministerial berth, it has become once again evident that Bengal has got hardly any importance in the eyes of BJP leaders. And that's why the same portfolios have been given to these 2 half-pant ministers. Earlier, education MOS was Subhash Sarkar, who got defeated miserably in Bankura. The same portfolio has been given to Mr. Sukanta Majumdar, and Shantanu Thakur has got the same portfolio which he had before. That means when they had 18 MPs, Bengal didn't get any full minister, any cabinet minister. Now they have got 12 MPs, they didn't get any cabinet minister.
Now, here is the actual status of what Bihar and West Bengal got in the Union Council of Ministers. In total, 2 ministers Bengal has: Shantanu Thakur as MOS Port Shipping and Waterways, and Sukanta Majumdar, who is Minister of State for Education and Development of the Northeast region. Now, Chirag Paswan, of course, also has been inducted into the cabinet. Let's listen into what he had said.
लक्ष्य सबका जनता की सेवा है, जनता को लाभ दिलाना है। ऐसे में अगर आपके पास वो विजन है, मुझे लगता है कि हर मंत्रालय के माध्यम से आप वो कार्य कर सकते हैं। जो विपक्ष ये कह रहा है कि सहयोगियों को दे दिया गया है झुनझुना, ऐसे में मैं नहीं मानता कि कोई भी झुनझुने वाला मंत्रालय है। हर मंत्रालय की अपनी काबिलियत और अपनी क्षमता है।